Hey guys, sorry, I've been watching Jordan Cheyenne on YouTube. I love her channel. I think the message that she shares is amazing with like how to be a boss babe and like making money and all of that. So check her out for sure. So today is Saturday. Let me check my Fitbit. September 8th, duh, because tomorrow's my boyfriend's birthday. So I'm just doing laundry right now. I'm such an idiot. I wanted to go to the gym this morning, but it's in the, all my like gym clothes are literally in the wash. So I'm just kind of like hanging out. I'm working on a PC build right now. So I might post a video about that later once like I order all the parts and like actually build it. Because right now my current computer cannot like edit videos and stuff. Yeah, right now I'm just rocking these pink sweatpants. They're so cute, and one of my boyfriend's t-shirts. And I just put my hair up. Oh no. I just put my hair up because I am going to go to the gym soon. Yeah, here's Mr. Mao. Hi, Maui. Look, he's got this little bow. Oh my gosh, I die. We got this at PetSmart. I think it was like $12. Yeah. Yeah. He wants to play. Yeah, you want to play? Yeah, you want to play? Hi, sweetheart. Oh, ooh, you're so tough. Yeah, right now Steven ran to Costco and to get coffee beans. One of our friends from the place where Steven and I used to work, his wife. If you're wondering like what is going on with my face, I was using, like why it's so red and irritated right there, I was using like a pore clearing tool thing, and I went a little too crazy. Okay, just a quick OOTD before I go to the gym. My shoes, Puma. Leggings are pink. They've got this cute pink detail. Shirt is Tommy Hilfiger from Nordstrom Rack. And I've got this little bag that I got for free for signing up for a gym. And then in the bag, I've got some like leg wraps and a hip band. So hopefully I get some footage at the gym. We just got back from the Gin Blossoms concert. It is 10:34. When we came home, I had a package from Sephora. I ordered the Belief like 1,000 point kit. I'm super excited. I'm going to put some of this laundry away, be an actual adult so I can go to sleep, and then open up this bad boy. We have so much trash up here. Oh my god, kill me. My outfit of the night. I wore this ASU shirt, and then these jeans are Fashion Nova. They're size 29, I think. They're cute. They make the booty look good. And then I just wore plain Adidas, like the 3-stripe tonight, but I took them off. They're downstairs. But yeah, no, it's cute. Okay, so my face is clean, moisturized. I brushed my teeth. So now we're going to open this package. I'm very excited. Taking up so much space. Okay, wow. Look at this. Holy crap-holy. Oh my gosh. See, yeah, we don't want to show this, but this is what I got. It was the Belief Get an Overnight Glow, and this was 1,000 points. So this whole package shipped to me for free. so it looks like we've got a sample. Ooh, of YSL's Color Balm. And we've got 3 different samples and a little applicator. Cute, cute, cute. It looks like Night Rehab Lip Mask, Watch Me Orange, and Excite Me Pink. Oh, cool. So one is a mask, and then the other 2 are colors. Cool. That's exciting. I didn't pick these, so Sephora just put this in here. Oh, okay. The Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I think I've heard good things about this. Cashmere might work. Driftwood would work if I'm nice and self-tanned, it looks like, maybe, or a mix of the 2 when I'm self-tanned. And then last but not least, oh, cool. We got Flower Bomb Nectar by Victor Roloff. Which I'm excited about. Let's see. They never put the tones on, like, the boxes of perfume or on the sample. But let's just see if it smells nice. It's a little sweet, but it's nice. It's nice. Okay, we'll put those there. And now we want this big kahuna. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna keep this box. This box is so nice. So if we're using all of the limbs here, literally, I'm holding it with my feet. Okay. So this is the moment you've been waiting for. Sephora Beauty. This is freaking luxury. This is literally like a Louis Vuitton box. Like, I'm not kidding. This is a Louis, like, it's magnetic. This is so nice. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, so now it says it in French, I'm guessing. Le moment vous attendiez. I never took French, but I'm guessing this is the moment you've been waiting for, is just that in French. Okay, so this is big. A reward like this calls for celebration, and we want to see it. Snap and share using Sephora rewards, because this is more than a reward. This is a lifestyle. Rewards Bazaar. Holy shit. I'm keeping this box, and I'm going to use it for, like, other, like, things. This is so nice. Okay, so we've got some Sephora tissue paper in here, which they never use tissue paper in store, can I say. Okay, so here is, like, the bulk of, like, what it is. Okay, so there's an eye mask, which I think you can put in the fridge, a towel, and it's a body wrap. It's not a towel. And then we've got a little sample of the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. It'll focus. Come on. I don't think it will focus. Oh, that's fine. But I've heard really, really good things about this, and I figured I may as well try the mini, because honestly, this mini, here, let's open it up. This amount of product will last, like, at least a month, if not more. How many, does it say how many ounces it is? No, it doesn't really say, but oh yeah, right there, 0.174 ounces. So I don't know how this compares to the, like, original size, but I figured it would last me a while. Eye cream lasts forever. Okay, so, and then there is this, the Belief Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. Ooh, nice. This looks really nice. So probably get a couple uses out of this, I'm guessing. I'm not quite sure. And then this is the Belief the True Cream Aqua Bomb. And this is 0.33 fluid ounces. And I think this is just a moisturizer. Yeah, I think this is just a moisturizer. I'm so excited. Okay, so that looks like that is everything. and it's really, really soft. This is so freaking soft. And there's just a little pocket in here, and then there's like Velcro, and then it's like stretchy right here. So you can fit it around your body. But oh my gosh, I am impressed. Like Sephora coming through, like literally. All right, hey guys, so I'm going to the gym right now. It looks like this battery is about to die. It's Sunday now. It was really nice out. Yesterday it was really hot. But yeah, I'll see if I can get some footage from the gym today. We're doing shoulders, so let's go. I just got back. I did shoulders, turning these shoulders into boulders. Meal prep. I'm gonna shower, get ready, and then meal prep. So I'll see you guys. Hey, what's up, guys? I am about to start meal prepping for the week, and that's what you're going to watch. So I'm just gonna speed through that. Steven is watching football. Yeah, so it's meal prep. So I'm pretty much done meal prepping at least most of the protein. I mean, the chicken is about to come out and the sweet potatoes are baking. We're gonna go to the grocery store after dinner because I need to get some like vegetables and stuff. But other than that, we are done meal prepping.